YIPONYT commercial carpet cleaning machine is an amazing gadget for anyone seeking efficient and versatile cleaning solutions. The standout feature of this machine is its time-saving prowess, effortlessly cleaning approximately 2 square meters of carpet per minute. The 1034 watts of power and 1000 watts of suction power ensure it excels in various working situations, making quick work of cleaning tasks. The excellent processing of the YIPONYT machine is evident in its tight connection between the air suction pipe and the body, preventing any leakage. This attention to detail contributes to its reliability and durability. What's more, the powerful motor operates with low noise, offering a refreshing departure from the noisy alternatives on the market. It's a notable feature that adds value to the overall user experience. Speaking of low noise operation, it's worth emphasizing that this cleaning machine's powerful motor ensures minimal disruption during use. In a market crowded with noisy counterparts, the YIPONYT commercial carpet cleaning machine stands out as a more peaceful yet powerful choice. The versatility of this cleaning machine is another feather in its cap. Beyond carpet cleaning, it effortlessly tackles curtains and sofas while also serving as a vacuum and floor duster. The inclusion of mobile tires makes it a breeze to move around, enhancing its convenience and speed. This multifunctional approach consolidates various cleaning tasks into one machine, simplifying the user's experience. In conclusion, the YIPONYT commercial carpet cleaning machine earns high marks for its time-saving capabilities, excellent processing, low noise operation, and multiple uses. If you're in the market for a powerful, reliable, and versatile cleaning solution, this machine is undoubtedly worth the investment. Cheers to a cleaner and more efficient cleaning routine!